The bee hummingbird, Mellisuga helenae, also called zunzunchito or helenae hummingbird, is the smallest known bird globally, native to Cuba and nearby islands. Males average 5.5 centimeters long and weigh 1.95 green. Females are slightly larger at 6.1 meter and 2.6 gree. Its wingspan is around 3 centimeters and it's often mistaken for a bee. Males have iridescent bluish upperparts, a bright red-pink throat, gorget, during breeding season, and grayish-white underparts. Females are bluish-green with pale gray undersides and white-tipped tail feathers. Mainly feeds on nectar from native Cuban flowers, visiting up to 1,500 flowers daily, and supplements with small insects, spiders, for protein. It's an important pollinator. This hummingbird can fly at 40-48 kilometers per hour, beat wings 80-100 times per second, hover, and fly backward. Mating season is March-June. Males perform aerial displays to attract females. Females build tiny cup-shaped nests and lay 2 coffee bean-sized eggs, incubating them alone for about 2 weeks. Lifespan: up to 7 years in the wild and 10 years in captivity. The hummingbird key locations in Cuba to spot them: Western Cuba, Pinar del Rio, Artemisa, and parts of Havana provinces, especially near the coast. Central Cuba, Matanzas, Villa Clara, Cienfuegos, and Sancti Spiritus provinces. Eastern Cuba, small pockets in Ciego de Avila, Holguin, Moa, Mayari, and along the Guantanamo coast. Protected areas: Zapata Swamp, Alexander Humboldt National Park, and Guanahatabibs Peninsula. They inhabit coastal inland scrubs, forest edges, parks, gardens, and even plantations with sufficient flowering plants for nectar. They are most common at elevations below 500 meters, but can be found up to around 1,600 meters in mountainous areas.